When you think of raw fish, you think of Japan.
But Vietnam has its own answer to sashimi.
And it starts with this tiny silver jewel, the Mai fish.
All transparent and smelling like the ocean breeze.
Welcome to the Vietnamese Sushi Challenge.
Today, we cook without fire.
Preparation is a test of patience.
We remove the head, the bone, keeping only the sweet flesh.
It takes hundreds of fish to make one plate.
Now, the magic trick.
We cook it with acid, fresh lime juice.
Watch closely. The lime juice turns the meat white, cooking it instantly.
This technique is called Thai Chang Ai rare lime cured.
Then we squeeze it dry. No smell, just freshness.
But raw fish needs armor.
Ginger to warm the stomach. Chili to wake up the tongue. And onions for the crunch.
We mix them all together.
And a secret ingredient, roasted rice powder.
It adds a nutty, smoky aroma that masks any fishiness.
But the true secret of Phan Thiet lies in the sauce.
The legendary peanut sauce.
Tamarind for sourness, sugar for sweetness.
And plenty of crushed peanuts.
Thick, creamy, and deeply savory. The challenge is ready.
Are you brave enough? It looks raw. It feels dangerous.
Do not worry. Follow the local way.
First, the rice paper.
Then a bed of green herbs.
Then the star of the show. Pile it high.
Roll it up. Hide the fish inside the garden.
Now the baptism in the sauce. Coat it well.
Take the bite.
Wait for it.
It is not fishy. It is electric.
Once you start, you cannot stop.
This is the ultimate beer food. Ultimate. Yeah.
Cold beer cuts through the spice perfectly.
We call this the salad of the brave.
But in Phan Thiet, everyone is brave.
Fresh from the ocean, straight to the soul.
The ocean gives us everything.
And we treat it with respect.
Hands that work the sea. But the journey does not end at the shore.
Phan Thiet is a land of contrasts, where the desert meets the ocean.
Where adventure awaits around every corner.
Walking through the red canyon of the fairy stream.
Touching the earth.
Touching the past. Praying for a safe journey.
Hello. The sweetness of the people.
The sweetness of the land.
Guardians of the coast.
Watching over us.
As the stars come down to the sea.
The night brings new flavors.
Sizzling scallops. Ooh. Rich lobster.
And shared memories.
Phan Thiet, Mui Ne, a place that stays with you.
Gone. Did you pass the challenge?
Tell us in the comments, would you try raw fish?
Subscribe to Live Vietnam Journey for more adventures.
Next week, we get lost in the local market.
See you in the next video.
music fades. The beauty of Phan Thiet is endless.
From the thrill of the dunes
to the calm of the Red Canyon.
Life blooms where you least expect it.
History stands tall.
Prayers rise to the sky.
And the light guides us home. Shining for 100 years. The ocean sleeps. But the warmth remains.
Sweet.
And fresh.
Phan Thiet. Thank you for daring to taste.
This is Live Vietnam Journey.
Music fades,